First of all, let's jump on 4-hour chart. How the marks are provided by the 4-hour chart. Let's click on 4-hour. How actually levels has been spotted over here. Okay. Here we go. First of all, main important thing is support point. Support point indicates the buyer's zone, buyer's side. Alright, support is spotted now. Now we will be checking trend type. How actually trend type is indicating. In this case, we can draw one trend line here. Okay, this is our first trend line, which is extreme point and bigger trend line. Now we have to find out some intermediate level, easier levels. If you zoom in chart, we can get more levels. Here we go. From this to this, we have catched one more level inside the levels. When we catch intermediate level, it becomes so easier to understand. Okay, we have understood now trend is performing in this area. Alright, how we can judge the market. 4-hour chart is showing that first of all price is coming over here and bouncing back from here to here, and here we go. Next attempt is, this is showing by historical data. Basically now we have understood that price is following this trend line. Okay, switch to 15 minutes. In 15 minutes we will get more clear information regarding the trend, how actually trend is performing, right? This will be considered as the extreme point where actually 4-hour has been taken reversal. In 15 minutes we can switch for more levels. Okay, now we may see some new levels or different levels and different story in 15 minutes. This becomes so easy when you go through 4-hour time frame, spotting the levels, afterwards switching to the lower time frame. This could be easier way to understand the chart and analyze the chart. Now we have understood some important points after drawing this trend line. Okay, in 15 minutes we have spotted buyers and sellers area. This is the buyers area, this is the buyers area, buyers area. Now in case if you want to take entry over here, you can consider the next entry with proper analyzing the chart, with proper analyzing the capital and risk. Cryptocurrencies are subject to market risk. That's why before you involving in any products, make sure you are analyzing the risk factors and do your own research. Okay, in this case this may happen, price can take over this level, and if bulls become strong over here, we can see new all-time high again. It is all about the breaking the trend line and holding the support. If trend line is breaking upper side, then this resistance will be considered as the support point. Okay, support point is equal to buyer's entry. If buyers enters at the point of this, then all-time high is possible. Okay, if you want to prepare any trade on the basis of this idea, you can put your stop loss below 115520 and hold your trade until the breakout. If breakout is not happens, you can close your trade like this or somewhere like this. Okay, so both scenarios are possible. If this is breaking out, we can see new all-time high. If not, it can down from this spotted resistance point. So theory is very simple, guys. Find out best levels in 4-hour time frame. It can give you some reversal points. After spotting the 4-hour reversal points, we can switch to the 15-minute charts in order to taking the trades for the short term or scalping. So this is the basic concepts of 4-hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame. Now let's take a look on EchoBit cryptocurrency exchange. If you are actively looking to trade cryptocurrencies like spot and futures, then you may consider EchoBit trading platform. What is EchoBit? EchoBit is a global platform for spot and futures trading on Bitcoin, Ethereum and many altcoins, built by experienced team from Google, HSBC and Goldman Sachs. Key features: advanced security, MPC, TSS and quantum resistance encryption, handles over 100k orders per second with low latency, registered with FinCEN US and FinTrack Canada, includes copy trading, APIs for developers and asset management tools. Okay, disclaimer: crypto markets are volatile and involve significant risk. This content is educational purpose only and does not constitute financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investments decisions. User-friendly interface, advanced security, global coverage. You can use this application on your phone or simply you can switch on www.echobit.com web version. Click on market tab to see what kind of coins are listed and you can actually trade those currencies on this platform. Okay, also different categories are mentioned over here: AI, NFT, meme, layer 1, layer 2, DeFi, web3, metaverse, gaming, RWA. Okay, if you want to sort out the currencies with 24-hour gains and loss, simply click on this filter or change. Here we go, by price, by change, by low, by volume. You can sort out here coins. Okay, if you want to go with market cap, simply click here, BTC on top, and rest of currencies are showing here. Popular currencies, gainers, 24-hour volume, complete data is showing over here. You can also involve in copy trading feature. Copy trading feature is good if you want to follow the masters on your own risk. Okay, you can also follow me on copy trading. Click on number of followers, and here we go, this page, leader homepage, description, let's trade. We will be trading more assets on this platform with copy trading feature. If you want, you can follow me. Futures tab is there in order to trade future currencies. Okay, isolated and cross position mode is here. Leverage is up to 200x. More leverage is equal to more risk. Understand first risk factors and you are good to go. In this case, I am seeing one trade over here. That's why I would like to open one trade. My stop loss point is this and take profit point is this. This is currently going to open with copy trading. Let me open this trade with 15x leverage. I'm okay with that, and let me add take profit points and stop loss point. Stop loss point is 115676. Take profit point is 123317. With 15x leverage, I am opening this trade. Market amount and TPSL has been added. Now it's time to choose where you want to open a position. In this case, my prediction was on upper side. That's why I would like to consider opening long position. Okay, once you're done with this value, simply click on open long, and this is the order confirmation. Price, amount, margin, estimated liquidation point. Afterwards, simply click on confirmation. Now order is successfully opened and position is showing over here. Futures, entry price, position, estimated liquidation price, position value, margin, USDT, margin ratio, and PNL will show over here. Okay, now let's wait for this trade execution, and afterwards we will be jumping on next trade. I hope you guys are understood and importance of choosing best time frame for your analysis. That's it for today. Let's see in the next video. Bye.